I usually start my videos out by saying what a great day it is, what a great day to be alive and on a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. But in this video, I'm gonna say what a great last couple of years that I've had owning this 2015 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. It's been one great bike for me. It fits me. You know, other bikes fit other people, but this bike fits me. I think if you ever find a bike that fits you, you're going to enjoy riding the roads on two wheels. And I have met some wonderful people in the Harley-Davidson world just through owning Harley-Davidson motorcycles. So everybody says Harley-Davidson is a lifestyle. They are correct. It is a lifestyle, and you will meet some fine people out there that ride some Harley-Davidson motorcycles. That all being said, like I said, me and Bluebird here has had a great last couple of years. She's about 3 years old. I bought it brand new. She's got 57,000 miles on her, and I put every one of them on her. Every one. And we've seen a lot. But I'm going to throw a few pictures in this video of the last few months. Y'all check them out. Hope you enjoyed. Y'all don't do anything to land you in jail. Hope to see you on the roads on two wheels. Y'all have a great week. Hi folks, where am I at? I think I'm lost again. Oh, the sign might just gave it away. Here for our third poker car. Here at Cole Harley-Davidson, I just gave it away. Signed it anyway. Bluefield, West Virginia. Hi folks, where are we at? I'll tell you what, we are out here in the middle of nowhere, son. Up here in the Virginia hills. I'm afraid this thing gonna turn to dirt. Hi folks, tell me where I'm at. Can you figure out where I'm at here? Probably only a few of my Facebook and kinfolk friends probably know where I'm at. I'll go back. It's a beautiful day to ride, and man, are we riding. Can you figure out where I'm at? Hi folks, I bet you can't guess where I'm at, or maybe you can. When in Raleigh, you gotta stop by and say hey. Pretty day to ride, or in my case, pretty day to glide. Ha ha! Gotta love Harley-Davidson motorcycles, road glides especially.